You've seen floral crowns all over your Instagram feed, I'm sure. Well, because, why not? They're pretty, they make you feel special, and the brightly colored ring of flowers really do make social media worthy photos. Floral crowns are so on trend and just perfect to wear for a girls' night out, bachelorette party, weekend get-together, and really for anyone who just wants to drag it through the garden. So guess what? I've got an easy way for you to create your own floral crown in no time at all. If you're ready, let's make it. You'll need floral wire or low gauge wire, floral tape or washi tape, a measuring tape, wire cutters, faux flowers in a variety of colors and sizes, and greenery. First, wrap the wire around your head to get the size so it fits nicely. If you have a measuring tape, you can also measure your head and get the length of your wire that way. Wrap the wire several times around so you have 5 or more layers of wire. This makes the base of the crown a little more sturdy when you add the flowers. Secure the ends of the wire by wrapping the wire around itself. And then cover the end of the wire with a piece of floral tape. Now this is an important step because we don't want the end of the wire to scratch your head if it's loose. Next, decide on the color of flowers theme that you want. Now remember, you can use real flowers, but here I'm using faux flowers, so my floral crown can be used again and again and again and again. Cut each flower, leaving about a 1-inch stem. Lay the flower stem on the wire hoop and wrap the stem to the wire using your floral tape. Cover and wrap the stem securely with the tape. Continue adding flowers and greenery to the wire headpiece until you fill up the entire crown. Now remember what I say, more is more and less is a bore. Continue to add flowers and greenery to the headpiece, so keep filling up the crown. And there you have it, a beautiful floral crown, perfect for any occasion. It really is just that easy. You can make a bunch of these floral crowns for all of your friends in no time at all. Or have your friends join in the fun and add a little bit of lovely to your together time.